Did you know you can use spray paint to easily create the look of a snow-covered, flocked Christmas tree and transform an inexpensive artificial tree into a stunning luxury Christmas tree? With $20 artificial trees, upcycled old ornaments, pine cones, fir cones, and dollar store decorations, and a selection of spray paints from Testers and Rust-Oleum, we created our gorgeous Christmas trees. What you need: Step 1. Find an inexpensive artificial Christmas tree. The key is to find the most affordable tree that is the size you want. Step 2. Choose a color scheme for your tree and decorations. If you want to completely change the color of your tree, the way we did with our rose gold tree, it may take multiple cans of spray paint. If you want the look of a snow-dusted tree, you won't have to completely cover the branches with paint, and you can add as much or as little accent color or glitter spray paint as you want. Step 3. Spray paint your tree. First, cover and tape off the tree trunk or any parts of the tree that you do not want painted. If your tree is pre-lit, cover the light bulbs as well. Remember to work in a well-ventilated area when you're spray painting, and cover the ground to protect from overspray. Spray paint your tree with white spray paint or primer, and then, if you choose, spray paint an accent color such as rose gold or silver. We used Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Cover Primer Spray to prime our rose gold tree, and to spray paint our second tree white to mimic flocking. After the primer was dry, we used rose gold spray paint on our rose gold tree and silver glitter spray paint on our flocked tree. Step 4. Spray paint old ornaments, dollar store decorations, pine cones, and fir cones to match your tree color theme. For best results, spray a coat of primer such as Testors Craft Foam Primer or Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Cover Primer Spray before applying colored spray paint. Step 5. Add extra sparkle with glitter spray paint. You can spray glitter paint on the tree branches and ornaments separately, or you can glitter spray paint your tree and ornaments together as your last step. For more details, visit 5minutesformom.com.